Now I'm going to show you how this pool pump works and how that gets serviced, okay? So first of all, you got the control panel here. This is your electrical for it. And this is the dial that turns the pool motor off and on, okay? So I think it's the silver here is on and the copper here is off. Now if you lose power for a period of time, this timer, is not going to be keeping time. So what you got to do is you got to pull this out and turn it to adjust the time. So right now it's 10:05. So I'm going to leave it at 10 and that's it. So now it's set to the correct time. And then what this timer does, it trips this lever here. So at any time you can just manually turn it off, okay? So that's how you turn it off and on. And whenever you, and this is how you're gonna adjust your water, okay? So if it's what I was saying in the last video, if the pool is too full of water, if it's above half the skimmer by any significant amount, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shut this off here, okay? Turn the power off. Whenever you operate this device here, the pump should be off, okay? And then you're gonna turn this, you're gonna push this down, and then you're gonna turn it to waste. Okay, so right now it's on filter. Okay, right where this arrow is, it's on filter. You're gonna push it down and you're gonna turn it to waste. Okay, now what happens is I come back to this control box, okay, and I turn this on. I lift it up. And look, now you're exhausting water out the back, okay? So when it's too high, what you want to do is you set a timer for like 15 minutes or so, because it takes a while. There's a lot of water in that pool, and you got to let this run for 15 minutes, but you want to not forget that it's running, because you can walk away and you want to make sure you come back and it doesn't get too empty. Okay, so we're going to just follow this back here. We're going to cut this off. When you're done, you're going to flip it back to off. It's just the same process backwards. And then the default setting is filter. Okay, so when it's on filter, then it's going to, filter the pool, obviously. And you'll see it won't be exhausting, comes back on. And sometimes you can see in this black box here that there's a vortex of water. It's all normal, but just to, you hear it operating. Sometimes you can see some bubbles in here or whatever. But, also another maintenance thing that needs to be done, maybe only a couple of times a year, is there's a basket there. So you're going to shut off the pump, okay? And what you're going to do is you just unscrew these knobs. And you can see the little bubble forming. Okay, now this was just clean, so we don't have to worry about it today. But I'm going to show you how it works anyway. Okay, oh yeah, this way. I'm going to lift this up, okay? So this hooks in back here, okay? So you know how that works. And there's the basket. So it actually does have some debris in it. It really shouldn't. And watch, there's a rubber gasket here. So sometimes this gets knocked off, but if it does, you just put it back on. And look, you can see the debris in there. It's going to be the same as the skimmer baskets. You're going to just knock it a little bit, but you really need to get the garden hose and spray and push this stuff out with the garden hose, and it will clean that up. Okay.